Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called IoT. Yeah, IoT is nothing but Internet of Things, which describes the network of physical object or things that can be embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to a sophisticated industrial tools. With more than 7 billion connected IoT devices today, experts are expecting this number to grow to 10 billion in the coming years. Why is IoT so important? Over the past few years, IoT has become one of the most important technologies of 21st century. Now that we can connect everyday objects, kitchen appliances, cars, thermostat, baby monitor to the internet via embedded devices, seamless communication is possible between people, process, and things. By means of a low-cost computing, the cloud, big data, analytics, and mobile technologies, physical things can share and collect data with minimal human intervention. In this hyper-connected world, digital system can record, monitor, and adjust each interaction between all connected things. The physical world meets digital world, and they cooperate. Industrial IoT refers to application of IoT in an industrial setting, especially with respect to instrumentation and control of sensors and devices that engage cloud technologies. Recently, industry have used machine-to-machine communication to achieve wireless automation and control. But with the emergence of cloud and allied technologies such as analytics and machine learning, industry can achieve new automation layer and with it create a new revenue and business model. Industrial IoT is sometimes called the fourth wave of industrial revolution or industry 4.0. The following are some of the common uses for industrial IoT: smart manufacturing, connected assets and preventive and predictive maintenance, smart power grids, smart cities, connected logistics, smart digital supply chain. Transportation and logistical system benefit from a variety of IoT application. Fleet of cars, trucks, ships and trains that carry inventory can be rerouted based on weather condition, vehicle availability or driver availability thanks to IoT sensor data. The inventory itself could be also be equipped with sensors and track and trace and temperature controlled monitoring. The food and beverage, flower and pharmaceutical industry often carry temperature sensitive inventory that would benefit greatly from IoT monitoring application that send alert when temperature rise or fall to a level that threatens the product. So future is going to be IoT and all related technology is going to become popular. Thanks for watching. Bye.